Welcome to my lesson on finding slope given 2 points. That's what we're going to work on today. And if you recall, slope is rise over run. And sometimes when we don't have a graph, I don't want to have to graph certain points to get the slope. So there's a formula. Here's the formula. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm going to pick a y, and I'm going to pick this one, and I'm going to take this, so slope, remember m is for slope, 6 minus 2, and then I have to go back to the x that I started with the same y, and 3 minus 5. So I'm subtracting the y's on the top, the x is on the bottom, 4 over negative 2, and as we already discussed, you can reduce your slope. Here, I'll start with this y. It doesn't really matter which y you start with. I could have written this point here if I had wanted to. So the point thing is if you start with this y, you start with that x. So I'm going to do 3 minus 8. I got to come back here. Negative 1 minus a negative 2 is a plus 2. So we have to be careful of our double negatives, and the slope here is 5. All right, I'll start over here with the 8. 8 minus 6. Negative 1 minus a negative 3 is a plus 3. 2 over 2 makes a slope of 1. And over here, I'll start with a negative 3. Negative 3 minus 2. 5 minus 5. We get negative 5 over 0. And you know if you get 0 on the bottom of a fraction, the slope is undefined. If I had a 0 on the top of a fraction, the slope would be 0. So try your homework problems, and we'll see how you do tomorrow. See you tomorrow.